Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:32 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dubeck and Cameo. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Colorado between mile markers 45 and 61. Colorado 65 between mile markers 58 and 61. Turn around. Don't travel when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles